Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of the iPhone X that we showed in part 1 that has the unpaid bill, in which that is an Imei, in which this is definitely an iPhone 10, which we're going to go back over here to Swappa, which we basically made a whole new page. So I'm just going to highlight that right there. This is part 2, in which we successfully got everything fully cleared off, in which definitely got to be very patient, in which, as you can see now, the device appears to be clean and ready for activation. iPhone X unlocked. This is part 2. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.